Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is all about Matplotib, which is Master Matplotib in Python. So in today's video we are going to learn Matplotib, which is one of the most popular Python libraries for creating visualizations. So with Matplotib you can easily make line charts, bar charts, scatter plots, histogram and many more things. So by the end of this video you will know many examples using Matplotib. So let's start this. So we'll start by the basic one, so which is a basic line plot. So for this firstly we have to import Matplotib. So here we have imported and now we'll create the data for which we need to plot the graph. So here we have plotted the data, means created the data, and this will create the line plot. This will add a title to the plot. This will add the x label to x-axis. This will add y label to the y-axis, and at last plt.show displays the plot. So now let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output, which is a basic line plot. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one would be multiple lines in a single plot. So for this also we'll import Matplotib and now we'll create the data. So this is the data we created and now we'll plot it. And also we'll label it and we'll add a color blue. So we have added the line 2 in red color and now we'll add the title. So we have added the title to multiple lines and here we have added the legend, and at last we'll display the plot. So now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see how multiple lines plot look like. And now we'll move on to the third one. So the third one is a bar chart. Okay, so for that let's take the data for creating a bar chart. So here we have taken the names and now we'll take the values. So these are the values and now we'll plot the bar chart. So this will plot the bar chart in green color and now we'll add the title to the bar chart. So this will add the suitable title and at last we'll display the plot. And now we'll see the output of this. So here we can see the simple example how bar chart is created. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is a horizontal bar chart. So for this also we'll create the same data. So here we have created the data and now we'll plot the bar chart in the horizontal way. So we'll plot this in orange color and we have added the title to horizontal bar chart, and at last we'll display the plot and let's see how it looks. So here we can see the horizontal bar chart and now let's move on to the next one. So the next one is a scatter plot. So for creating a scatter plot, firstly we'll take the data. So this is the x and now we'll take it similarly for y. So here we have taken for y also and now we'll create a scatter plot. So here we'll create a scatter plot in purple color and now we'll add the title to the plot and at last we'll display the plot. So here we can see the scatter plot example how it looks. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is a pie chart. So for the pie chart let's create the labels first. So here we have created the labels and now we'll create the sizes, that in how many size we want. Okay, so here we have displayed the sizes and now we'll create the pie chart. So here AutoPCT shows the percentage and start angle rotates the chart. So here we have added the title to the pie chart example, and now we'll display the plot and let's see how it looks. So here we can see the full example of pie chart, how it looks. And now we'll move on to the next one. So the next one is a histogram. So for that, let's create a sample data. So here we have created sample data, and now we'll plot a histogram. So a histogram groups the data into bins, and here we are keeping the color as sky blue, and we are marking the edge color to black. And now we'll add the title, and at last we'll display the plot, and now we'll see the output. So here we can see the histogram example. So you learned how to create line plots, bar charts, scatter plot, pie charts, histograms, all the basic you need to start visualizing using Matplotlib in Python. So Matplotlib is the foundation of Python visualization, and learning it opens the door to advanced visualization libraries like Seaborn, Plotly and Bouquet. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching today's video.